such a loser with politics like you, Elias?
You fucking wanted for dealing, mate. You know what? I put a bow on it.
Who is Ronnie? Ron Hawke. Bob Hawke's brother wanting for dealing. What did he do? Deal some cards or something? He was playing poker or something?
Oh, you go back to the speed we were talking about.
Yeah, that shit that you stake up your nostrils, yeah. What happened that day when I was over there and you were snorting speed up your nostrils? Tell everybody. You can tell them that that's what you were doing. And tell them that time that you told me what happened when you You made a mistake. That was actually Johnson's baby powder.
You fucking popped. You what?
Johnson's baby powder. He snorted up his nose by accident.
I see you dogged on your mate Greg from Baronia Road. Oh, that's it, yeah. Keep laughing. We'll see if you're laughing. So you fucking laugh, it turns me. You got no idea. I'm gonna...
Oh, yes, I do. And everybody's got the same idea that you're a
Oh, fucking fat. I've got to cross my legs, otherwise it starts climbing out the window.
rattle.
Anchor from Coogee, he's gone fucking quiet. They haven't fucking killed him, have they?
Yeah, mate, he was blown up last night by mortifier.
You hear me? I got some C40. I'm just waiting fucking... I'm waiting for these cunts to make a move. I'm just gonna make a big tennis ball of C40.
Fear something for once in your life, Elias. You know that fear you feel when somebody pulls over at the front and you hide behind your sister's skirt? You know that fear? Fear the 31st, Elias. Fear it.
Oh, you better see the 24th.
No, fear the 31st, Elias. You know that fear that you feel when your heart starts really pumping really fast when you've taken quite a large amount of drugs? Elias, you know that feeling you get? That fear feeling when somebody pulls up out the front, wanting to smash your fucking head in and you hide behind your sister's skirt? Out the window saying, they're coming to beat me, see, can you go and look after them?
Shouldn't rip people off, Bruce. It's not my fault you go. You rip people off and then you reverse the psychology. You're just like Lee Andrews. You know, you can get fucked. I don't give a fuck what you say. I don't give a fuck what you do. You've rip me off one too many times, and that's all there is to it too. You know, one too many times.
No, you owe me money.
Too many times. You know that song too.
No, you owe me money.
Too many times I see.
You owe me money now, Elias. I'm coming to get it. 31st, I'm coming to get it.
Take it up the ass. Is that right, Bruce? Is that what?
Steal your money. Right? Then I'm gonna beat you to a pulp.
And don't fucking cunt. That's what you...
Rattle, rattle, rattle. All day, Elias. Make sure she's there. Make sure she's there.
They say you're law and order, fuckwit. I'll break your fucking nose.
Make sure you can't do anything. You haven't got the capability of doing anything at all there, Elias, because it's been proven already. Chris 33 down at you off the wall, break your jaw. You know, that just goes to show what sort of a business you are.
The system works in the...
Thank you.
You fucking rip me off for $600.
You owe me money, Elias. You owe me money.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if I break...
Riddle, riddle, riddle. You must have fucking starting to kick in that next line, is it, Elias? Oh dear. Elias, you're a speed freak. Too much shit up your nostrils, Elias.
Lee Andrews is under federal investigation
Old vacuum cleaner.
from Girraween because he's all organised crime syndicates with a man.
You do know Elias' middle name? Electrolux.
Organised crime.
His middle name's Electrolux. He's not only sucks it up his sucker.
What's the spastic? Put yous all together now.
The spastic. The self-confessed spastic.
Fucking see the spastic you ripped off, fucking cut you.
The self-confessed spastic.
You'll see what happens when you fuck with spastics, mate. Robert Higgins is behind it all. Him and his mate Ian Smith. But don't worry, I'll fix up Ian Smith. And I'll...
Oh, Smithy, yeah.
We know all the surnames in this area. Hey, Bruce, what'd you do with $600, Bruce?
Don't forget Higgins. Don't forget Smithy.
Bruce, is the $600 well spent?
Your link. You're right on your side.
Hey, where's the Walshes? You know the Walshes? Where's your $600?
Of course it's Sydney. Your link. Thanks.
Where's your $600?
Right on your side.
Your link.
All those site places, your link. You fucking disorder.
Yeah, where's the $600 you spent, Elias?
You're a disorder.
Where's your A-Rock?
You're a disorder, Elias. Crawl back into your padded cell and shut the fuck up.
What happened to John O'Reilly, did he?
O'Reilly. John O'Reilly. What are you talking about John for? Had a beer with him the other day, Elias.
He's gonna...
We did. Had a beer with him, with Feroza and Higgins.
How's his mate? How's his sister?
We did. Yeah, fine, thanks. Thanks for asking, I'll pump you.
How's his sister?
Thank you.
They good?
Thank you.
We know.
Thank you.
How you doing now? Listen, hey, woman.
Thank you.
And,
This is Signal, Elias. No signal, no opinion, arsehole.
hey, that's a good...
Arsehole. It's true that you fell out of a dog's bum.
I fucking play gun.
It's true that you fell out of a dog's bum, Elias.
I fucking blow.
You fell out of a dog's bum. Flat. You fell out of a dog's bum.
Well, we've got $600, Bruce.
You owe me money. You owe me money for putting up with you. You parasite.
I see you're a scab.
You parasite. You fucking parasite. You
Society, Bruce. That's what you... Fucking Lee Andrews.
I heard, Elias, that you've been up to Lee Andrews' shop and you tried to sell him some of your hair.
Hey, you shouldn't have a shop and shouldn't have a business or a license.
You went up there and tried to sell him some of your hair.
The license taken off you, fucker. You don't deserve a license.
I don't need a license. Because when I'm finished with you, I'll hand my license to you.
You say, Bruce, you don't deserve it. Depart...
I'll hand in my license to kill after I've dealt with you.
With the people we're supposed to do, because they all coincide in this...
Rattle.
Hey, the partners in fucking crime, that's what...
Rattle.
Crime, you wipe each other's cocks on each other's arseholes.
Baby, come. You don't talk to your mate Joey. He's waiting now on HF. I just spoke to him a minute ago. Your mate Joey. He's there. Go over to HF there, Elias.
Oh, you know, corruption at its best. Forget the...
Joey's there. Elias. Uh-oh. Listen to fucking Spudley. Listen to fucking Spud the loser. Spud the fucking loser.
No, the loser is fuck.
Spud the drug fuck loser. Yeah, fucking you wouldn't do anything like that. Spud, you're too gutless. You're too gutless. You don't even know where I am, fuckwit.
It's funny how you make money out of drug fuckwits, eh?
You don't even know where I am, fuckwit. Come and get me.
Yeah, it's funny how the police make a lot of money out of skis and...
Rattle, Spud. Rattle. Rattle, Spud. You fucking drug fuck loser.
You'll be rattled when you lose your license, Bruce. You and your mate Lee Andrews and...
Spudley the fucking loser. Potato head.
Don't worry, Bruce. You about Ron Hawke and how he had his own chemist in Bankstown and he used to make his own drugs and how the Lebanese mafia put the bow and arrow through the window and missed his wife's head.
Come on, Dudley. Where are you? Potato head?
Come on, tell us how he went and picked up the sergeant from Bankstown College.
Can't hear you, potato head.
No, tell us how they took the Lebo to the Blue Mountains and buried him for 3 days with a water pipe in his mouth and the worms ate his body, and then the copper got paranoid because he's got a conscience and he went back and dug the guy out. You tell us all about it and tell us how the Lebo then hid on a container ship, okay?
I can't hear you, potato head.
That was 1980 something, and tell us how then 20 years later he dropped the Empire, the buildings, Tell us how it's your mate's fault why them buildings went down, Bruce. Tell us. Give you something to think about, fuckwits.
Oh, sorry, Lois, were you saying something?
It's all connected, fuckwits. It's just you don't know what and you don't know where and you don't know who. Is that right? You're missing a few little details and information too, are you? Well, keep on searching, because one day you're going to get caught with your pants down. You remember what I say, Bruce? And watch what I fucking do. Because I'm telling you, Bruce, this isn't even started, let alone finished, too. Think about it. Think about it with your little blue eyes. You know how you got blue eyes and yeah, like Robert. Like Robert. Yeah, your mate Robert. Robert.
Who?
May.
Who are you talking about?
May.
You're talking about Lois, you disorder.
You know exactly who.
Some sort of disorder.
Organised crime. People playing that think they can get away with attempted murder and get away with it too. The ones that work in the movie industry and think they can get away with it in real life too. You know how you play all the murder scenes and this and that. Well, guess what? I'm still fucking alive. I haven't fucking died. You fucked up, Robert May and Patricia Liacardos and Kevin too, and his mate Put. And you're living from Bank. Gotcha. Well, I gotcha. Oh yeah, with your little mate, your Bayless, your fucking Bayless brothers, and your fucking Honest brothers too. Oh, I gotcha. You're going down, Gravanas. Gotcha. Down, just Fennick and his Gravanas. What's the fucking what are you gonna do when George Stapler catches up with you?
I had to do the repeater, right? Could be. Sydney's #1 repeater. Location Hurstville, SYD01. Did that give it away? No, not really. Oh my God! Look, it doesn't matter. Wish me luck as you wave me goodbye. Cheerio, here I go. It's been a couple of days for 10 years, you fuck with. You're gonna get a call. Strong 2/3 doesn't fuck with.
Michael Fennick, where's your mate Michael Fennick and your mate Bruce, eh? Where's your mate Michael Fennick?
Come on, why are you so dumb?
A lot of questions and answers.
Where'd you score your fucking brain from?
Doesn't matter. Bruce's communications under investigation with his enhanced electronics and enhanced.
You fuck with.
Little fucking. Little fucking mates from Melbourne there. They're not even in fucking Melbourne. These will all be investigated. Enhanced and fucking the pufters down here. That's very, very bored. Does I wait? Hey Bruce, you wanted for investigation. Very bored. And do your own.
You've got a bad problem.
You guys shouldn't do your own. Shouldn't rip your own shop off, Bruce. It's not very nice, ripping your mate off.
Can anybody hear it?
No, but the police.
Yeah, can you hear?
The police.
I wouldn't like to think I was dumping on him.
No, well, you got the boys from McPhee Street to rip off the shop, didn't you, Bruce?
Sort of.
All about it, Bruce.
Boring. Why didn't you come out the other day when I was around here alive? Too busy hiding behind your skirt.
Bruce is wanted for organised crime. You're going to go to jail, you know that, Bruce.
Why didn't you come out the other day when I was around there?
Rip your own fucking shop off, Bruce, and then.
Why didn't you come out?
Bruce.
Why didn't you?
Because I'm scared of a body.
Why didn't you come outside? You hid inside behind your sister's skirt near the front window.
Well, you're the big man that wants to do something.
Why didn't you come out? I came around like you said. You didn't come out.
Come in. Come in. Don't be scared. Come in. Come in.
No, because I might catch something. I might have to wash myself down with methylated spirits.
Don't be scared. Come in. Don't be scared. See how you're scared? Sorry, man. By law, you can't fucking jump on someone's property if you're going to have a punch-up with them because they'll fucking get you for trespassing. So why don't you come out your fucking gate, you fucking coward?
Load of bullshit. Load of bull.
Morning, Les.
Load of bull.
Well, yeah, because he's wanted for organised crime with the RSL. Oh, yeah. RSL clubs. What? Can't hear you, man. Sorry. Who?
Krakatoa.
Yippee, Still trying to get a signal, eh?
I think you gotta get a signal.
Yeah, that's right. I think you better get a signal, Bushy. Still trying. Well, keep on trying. You're getting a bit better. Getting a bit of a noise there, but next week it'll be all different again, won't it, Bushy? Because you'll be back to fucking square one, you fuckwit. How many can you lay a day, Bushy? Mr. fucking shit bricklayer?
Fucking Mr. Unemployment himself.
Really now? Told you, mate, if you want to get a job, go to Charing Cross. That's where all the bricklayers hang at the pub there. And usually, you know, all the guys go in there. Yeah, you might be lucky enough to get a job, you fuckwit.
Channel 13, fuckwit. Now you gotta get a job, Leo. You can't be unemployed all
How many bricks can you lay a day? Leo, wake up.
What's going on this morning? Is it Radio Wars or something? Sunday Radio Wars.
Well, Dave's a fucking bricklayer, mate.
Yeah, mate. Boy, you go out, you're nice and go for it.
Hey.
Leo, you fuckwit.
How many courses can you lay?
Hell yeah.
So what made me laugh, Leo? Young 2 courses?
What is this you coming up this morning, why, eh?
These Aussie fuckwits. I swear you Aussie fuckwits can't act on TV. Rattle. Well, the young lion with Alex.
Oh, yeah, he's rattling on. You laugh.
That's for shit. So, Dave, how many bricks can you lay a day?
Are you asking me questions? I don't want to talk to fuckwits.
Oh, that's right, you don't know, eh? Oh, that's right, you told me last time you can lay 1,000 bricks a day, eh? Fucking full of shit.
Sit there and try and put shit on me when you know nothing about me. You make me fucking laugh.
You make me fucking laugh, you fucking bullshit bricklayer.
Mr. Unemployed.
The only bricks you lay is when you go to the shit house, isn't it?
Security office going there, Leo.
I don't know, why don't you come down to my work and tell me that, fuckwit? You know where I work.
You mean where you sell all your drugs during the day?
Oh, yeah. Opposite City Rose, you know, opposite City Rose, that pub there on the corner.
Fucking drug dealing, Lee.
When's the last time you laid some bricks, Dave?
Shut up.
Hey, when's the last time you laid some bricks? Is it because you're too slow, you only laid 2 courses a day and you can't get a fucking job or what? Or is it because they're all crooked and out of fucking line?
Some help, Leo. Get someone to back you up, you know, put it in your arm.
Why, back me up? I don't need no one to back me up, mate.
Hey? Fucking
Can't lay bricks. Bruce backs anyone up. Bruce, where are you, Bruce? Bruce is fucking Leo's mate. He sucked his cock. Where are you, Bruce?
Look, the living daylights out.
He's gone quiet.
Very good. What you do for an encore?
Thank you. You're trying to find an excuse, are you, Liz?
Leg fast line at least.
You're trying to find an excuse, Bruce, while you rip your own shop off. That's what Bruce is trying to do. He's trying to think of a... Well, why did you rip off Bruce's shop for? When Rusty used to own it? That's where you got that radio from, Tripper. Remember that radio?
You are Rusty. No, you just
Don't talk shit, Tripper.
112 Rose Street theft, and that's where I got it from. Organised crime with an handful
Full of shit. You got it straight out of the shop that night.
Organised crime.
I remember you told me, Tripper.
Organised crime with enhanced electronic thinking. Bye, 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 bye.
You make me fucking laugh. You don't make me laugh.
You're the thieves and the criminals working with the coppers.
Really?
Yeah, really. You know how he's,
I don't think so. I think you're the better fucking criminal.
organised.
You got no job. You got to get money somehow.
Organised crime. That's best. Forget the rest. You made Joe Dillier. I don't hear Joe Dillier. I don't hear Robert Williams Shithouse. Whitehouse. Where are they? Where's Mr. Whitehouse from 65 South Street, Rydalby? They like to chop the top off my finger and make it look like him.
He was on the other night.
He's wanted, you know, wanted. He's wanted. He's a wanted man. Not by his daughter from Bankstown Cop Shop either, but he's got some explaining to do why he was pointing a revolver at me and trying to shoot me off the back of the boat. And then...
Oh, yes, paranoid fuckwit.
I'm not fucking paranoid, stupid.
You are, you're paranoid.
I know exactly what's going on.
You know nothing, Tripper. You're fucking...
Yeah, Mr. Backerich, Kevin Dean, Stephen Backerich, Mr. Whitehouse, and yourself are wanted for attempted... You know how you attempted a lot of times, but you just can't... Shut up. You know how you... Shut up. Just can't walk. Shut up. Jojo, you shut up. Fucking gut up. That's all there is, you idiot. Shut up. Shut up. Moron. Make me... You're an idiot. Idiot. Nothing. Shut up, you idiot. Fuck you, pissant. Shut up, idiot. Fuck up. Idiot. Idiot. Shut up, you idiot. Get off Simplex, you idiot. Oh, no, there'll be no Simplex transmissions, thank you. No Simplex transmissions, thank God. Illegal. It's illegal to transmit on Simplex on Channel 1 during the operation of a repeat service. Please read your Australian Communications Guidelines in regard to CB radio and the operation of the RS. What have you said? How come you fuck off? How come you're an idiot? Idiot. How come he's all fuck idiot? That's an idiot. Why, idiot? Why, idiot? Why, you're an idiot? Why, you're an idiot? Why, you're an idiot? Why, because you are, you're an idiot. Why? Why are you an idiot? Why? Why are you an idiot, Tripper? Why are you an idiot, Tripper? Why are you an idiot? Tell me. Come on now, tell me. Come on. Why are you an idiot? Think about it. He's made me. You get like you're all linked. You're all linked. Come on, Neville, I'm getting tired. They're all fucked. Come on, Neville, get me. We're going to get tired. You're an idiot. Hey, myself, you're an idiot.
You're an idiot.
Too much. Give him heaps, Leo. My fingers getting tired from pressing the button.
I'm sick of him, man. Same thing. He's boring.
If we had to put the bacon and eggs on the back of the radio.
Too much police cock. You know how you suck too much police cock? You know that little rock? You know the little...
Same thing day in, day out. Boring.
Boring when your father gets shot in the back of the head, fuckwit. We'll see, won't we? We'll see what Leo's gonna do.
Make threats like that, man, you'll be living in a paddock.
And the person will just walk away and you won't know who done it, fuckwit. You think about that. Bye-bye, Leo, and I'm going to go make myself a cup of coffee. And don't forget, Leo, keep fucking other...
What's the definition of a growth? Hey, Rev.
I turned it on, it was that. But the dot came back and started about a million other fucking fingers, I reckon. Nothing, you know what it usually does goes into... I don't know, bro. If you all see like this, bro, it would die, bro. Well, you've got his turban on.
Oh, yeah. I mean, some of the taxi drivers are okay, but about 93% of them are cunts, man. They fucking, you know, it's $2.55 as soon as you fucking open that door, and if the fee gets up to $5, say, you said, oh, look, man, I've got to get out, I'm going to be sick or something like that, they cannot charge you for the $5 fare. They just tell you, go, just fucking piss off.
Sure, so you jump in a taxi, we drive until the meter hits $5, which is only about 100 metres, and then we tell them to stop when we're feeling sick so they can kick us out.
Oh, yeah, because a mate did that on fucking Saturday night. Tell me about it. As soon as he got in the taxi, and he was feeling a bit under the weather, and the taxi, it got up to about $5, and he got out, like he said to the taxi driver, oh man, I'm going to throw up. It's either you stop the taxi, I'll throw up first. And he stopped the car and said, get out. And fucking he didn't have to pay the fare. And he was home at his front door.
That would have been good.
It was a fucking sleigh bed he pissed off.
Or people who've been jumping out of my taxi, I've been trying to catch them, and the bastards always say they're going to be sick, and it's very, very not good for me making my money.
Well, if you don't like it, go back to your own country.
Oh, but the taxis in my country, they're very, 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 very hard to drive. Very, very hard to drive. You try and steer that bloody cow, and it's very, very hard. The taxis in Australia, very, very good. You don't even know where you're going, and you still get paid.
It sounds about fucking, about 90% of all fucking taxi drivers. That sounds like the full 100% of taxi drivers.
Every time somebody jumps into the cab.
He puts always practice at home properly. Oh, those cunts, they talk on the radio saying,
Hopefully sick raffle.
You're out early today, Woody. What's going on?
What's going on?
Yeah, you're out early today.
Yeah, he's out early. Still can't be heard though.
No, that's pretty too bad, so sad, really.
You don't think we notice that you get on it before work, morning tea time, lunchtime and afternoon tea time, Winston? You know, you duck back to your little cabin there and have a chat and a cup of coffee. What are you talking about here? Go away. You don't think we note these things down? I'm in a wheelchair. No. You've been in a wheelchair by the time Ian's finished with it. You know what? Haven't got an idea.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Oh, where are we?
Yeah, Woody.
Luke?
Shut up.
Fix it up.
Sorry? Can't hear you, Woody. Yes, you can. Can I? Hello? Hello?
You can. Hello? When did they call you the drag queen or the thief? Why did you go quiet when I'm sure and then you back right off? You're a dog.
So point one, everyone's entitled to their opinion. Point two, I don't cause trouble.
You see the guys, like...
Hey, Breaker.
Yes, Breaker.
Just chatting him out, don't comment.
Yeah, Matt, I'm here, buddy, I'm here.
Yeah, just want to say, hey Tim, just settle down for a sec. Hey Bruiser, I need a diff, man, for a Hilux 3-1, man. Yeah, mate. Is your friend still got that spare car out the back?
What's this, the or the whole thing?
It's just making a hell of a whining sound, mate. I think it might have been from the weekend, you know? No worries.
If you got that problem then, mate, just don't comment. It's as simple as that.
Well, I've got a problem.
No, Dina.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me, Timmy. No worries, dude.
Now I don't want to get beaten up.
Oh, hang on, I'm trying not to make a comment, Tim. What do you want me to do? Do you want to decide to make that comment or answer you? I'm confused, Tim. Make up your mind.
No. Just dribbling on about nothing, like you're bringing a lot of people's names. It's got not one thing.
Excuse me, whose names have I brought up? I haven't brought up any names, Tim.
Well, I didn't say anything to Sputter. Hang on, like, come on.
It's real simple, Tim. I wouldn't have a problem with you if you had a problem with Spud. Because, I don't know you from far as space, and I quite like Spud as a person. But as soon as you bring someone's family in it, mate, you step over the line. Simple as that. You want to go down there as well. See, simple.
But it's got not one thing to do with you, and that's where you'll come under.
Well, I'm afraid it does. When you're someone's friend, mate, it does have something to do with you. And if you want to, dump away the Spud, right, not let him get a word in, or attack him when he's not on air, and attack his family, I don't mind if you attack Spud because that's between you and him, but when you bring his family in it, it's got nothing to do with it, that's a different matter. Exactly.
Good enough to comment, I'm good enough to bloody comment back, like, if she's good
Not on his family, though, fuckwit.
what's so hard about that? Anyway, I still don't think...
I don't give a fuck about your opinion, Tim. You understand? There's really nothing you can say is going to change my mind. I still think you're alright for bringing his family into it. Simple as that.
That's alright, just as long as you know...
You're not wrong there, mate.
Piece of shit that's gonna...
Of the same opinion, Tim. Fucking the family should be left out of it. It's got nothing to do with them.
Oh, that's right.
I think every reasonable operator on the channel's got that same opinion, mate. The family should be left out of it.
Right, my family's house down, what goes around comes around. There's two sides of it, you know.
Roger. You tell me one thing that his family's done to you. Any of his children?
No, he said he's gonna hurt my family.
Well, if he did, then he shouldn't have done that, and you just lower yourself to fucking attack his family in return. Makes you a fuckwit too, eh?
And I'd say the same thing to Spud, Tim. Real simple. I'd tell him not to fucking do it as well, because it's hitting below the belt. The thing is, even if he did say it, I didn't hear him, right? Even if he did say it, why bring yourself down to his level? Yeah? That's no fucking argument, Tim, sorry.
Kind of one side of it. What about my side? What about when he was bagging my family out and harassed my family and gonna blow my house up?
Well, can't comment on it, Tim, because I didn't hear it. All I heard you was bagging his family, right? And even when you were bagging his family, I didn't hear him respond in kind. So, I can only comment on what I heard. I heard you bag his family, that makes you a lowlife. Simple.
Breaker.
Yeah, and then give him...
Yeah, Breaker.
Then there's you know.
Hey, Timmy.
No, that's all
Hey, listen, guys.
5 minutes. Okay, mate.
Hey, Tim.
Yeah, mate.
How much water's gone under the bridge, bro?
Too much.
Yeah, well, let's move it and sit on the side and have a good time, mate. These radios are for fun, I believe, anyway. If there's been grievance done, well, if you've apologised, if you haven't, well, whatever, let's leave it under the bridge.
Shut up. Now, this guy...
Whisperer, shut up. Anyone who wants to ring that Whisperer, his number is 0409.
I saw you, mummy.
And the fellow on the side actually raised a pretty fair point, because I remember not so long ago, I was up your neck of the woods, Tim, before this all sort of started. You invited us over and wanted to meet us and say hello. Yeah? So, let bygones be gone, bygones, Tim, simple. I couldn't be bothered fucking dumping on you all the time. Just leave it go.
Hey, Tim.
People by saying these little gestures, but he won't come meet people face to say it to their face because he knows that he's a couple of
to meet you face to face is not going to change my opinion, okay? I've said what I've said, I stand by it, and coming to meet you face to face is not going to change anything.
Seeing you in hospital make me feel better, and I don't have a receipt, man, so...
I don't care how you feel, Tim.
I can't hear shit.
Answer your phone, Whisperer.
I can't hear shit until I'm key, so it's no use talking over me.
Hey, Tim.
Yeah.
Mate, like, as I said, most people on radio, you can get a bad day, a good day, and mate, you and I have had bad days, but we also have good days, you know what I mean?
It's all good. No, everyone else out there, they're all cool, but Dino's just a two-faced dog.
Hey, Tim.
No, I'm actually not two-faced dog there, Tim. I called you a fuckwit before. I'll call to you again. I'm not two-faced. I won't go behind your back. You're a fuckwit.
What is it?
Hey, that's copy, Dino.
You not come too?
Copy.
You're dead. Answer your phone, Whisperer. Hey, fucker, calling, cunt. I'll fucking get you back. Tell me where you live and I'll come and fuck you up right now. I'm gonna bright the hands, fuckwit. Yeah, give an address, idiot. I'm gonna fuck up things. You go on, cunt.
Hey, Dino, do I have permission to ring you on your phone?
What was that?
I'm going to ring your phone in a while, alright?
You are ringing your phone. You haven't got your phone number.
Okay, just give me 10. We'll see what kind of games you like to play, Dino. Everyone else catches all later. Have a fantastic one. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Tim, you done a job. Fuck off. And, think straight, think good, think positive. Everyone else is still on the side. And just think, Tim, you're picking on Dino, who's got a lot of friends on this frequency, so tread lightly. Answer your phone, Whisperer.